everyone, it's Kimberly with Sassy Fro, and today we are using a head wrap for a protective style. So if you want to know how I got this lovely head wrap style, keep watching. Okay, so you're going to take your silk bonnet or satin bonnet and you're going to place that over your hair, because after all, what is a protective style if we're not going to protect our hair up underneath the style that we're doing? So next you're going to take, I have a beanie cap, but you can take a sock or you can take another scarf and you can fold it over, and we're making a bun. So you're going to put a scrunchie at the bottom part, wrap it around, and then this is a good trick for if you have short hair or if your hair is not full enough at the top to bring up and make a bun on its own. This is going to give the head wrap height. So you'll attach that around your hair, or if you don't have any hair, you can just kind of lay it there, because when you put your bonnet around it, it's going to hold it in place. So you're going to put the bonnet back on. I put it on too fast in the beginning, and that's kind of going to hold that in place. And next you're going to take your scarf, or your head wrap, shall I say, and you're going to stretch it wide, and you're going to place it over your entire head. And you're going to gather the two ends of the head wrap and you're going to pull it really tight around your forehead, and then you're going to wrap those two pieces around each other, kind of like you're making a knot, but you're not going to make a knot. And then you kind of adjust the head wrap around your ears. Make sure it's kind of like how you like it. Pull tight. And then you're going to twist down the length of those ends. And you're just going to keep twisting down, one over the other. And just keep twisting down. And you're going to leave some material loose, so you won't twist all the way down. Then you're going to take what you twisted and you're going to wrap it around the bun that you made, or your own hair. And you're going to keep wrapping it around. You're going to pull it really tight. Pull it tight. Then you're going to take that end and you're going to put it up underneath what you wrapped. You're going to tuck it up under there, and then you'll adjust it. Get it how you like, and voila, you're ready.